Hey guys, so if you like the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Night Treatment, but you don't like the price at $40 from Sephora, then have I got a dupe for you. First of all, what is this product? The Glow Recipe one is a powerful overnight resurfacing treatment that gently exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens with a 2.5% pH balanced AHA complex for dramatically smoother, brighter, firmer looking skin. Well, there is a dupe at Dollar General, not Dollar Tree, but Dollar General, and this is what it looks like. This is $5, not $40, but $5. I used this and it is so similar, very close to the Glow Recipe one. I used to buy the Glow Recipe one at Sephora and I really liked it, but $40 is just, I can't spend $40 for one product. I definitely can't. So this is from Dollar General and the ingredient list is almost the same. I compared the ingredients and they are very similar. And so I wanted to let you guys know about it. If you want to try this, it is in the skincare section at Dollar General. And that's what the box looks like. And I wanted to show it to you in the box first because, you know, if you're looking for something on the shelf, it's helpful to see that. So there's the container and you get a lot of product. This is a nice glass jar. There's 2 ounces. There is no, it just says watermelon sleeping mask on this. The company that makes it is called Hatch Beauty, and it's out of Los Angeles. And their claim says jam-packed with watermelon ingredients for a cool, refreshing treat to the skin. This moisturizing formula contains watermelon fruit water, watermelon seed extract, and watermelon fruit extract, along with plant-derived squalene, plant botanicals, and sodium hyaluronate to leave your skin radiant and oh so soft. Now, if you've never used anything like this, I should tell you that this is exfoliating. So you don't want to use this every single day. You want to just use it occasionally. And depending on how sensitive your skin is, if you have very sensitive skin, the way that you use it might be different than the way somebody with normal skin uses it. Now, me personally, I do have sensitive skin, but I used it Saturday night and I could feel it working on my skin. I put it on Saturday night after I did my regular skincare routine and I went to bed, and I always like to read for a while before I go to sleep, so I could feel that it was definitely working on my skin as I was laying there reading my book. And so because of the way it felt, um, I'm just going to use it every Saturday night. Once a week is good for me because my skin is so sensitive. I don't dare use it more often than that. But you know your own skin and you know how sensitive your skin is. Now, if you have very sensitive skin, you can put this on and leave it on for an hour or something and then wash it off. But, you know, you do you. You have to go by what works for your skin. But for a person with normal skin who doesn't have sensitive skin, you could use this 2 or 3 times a week at night and you would probably be fine. But yeah, I'm not a skincare specialist by any stretch of the imagination. So just, you know, use it according to what works for you. And it does say on here not to use it on broken or irritated or itching skin, and not to use it near your eyes or your lips. So don't get it near your eye area and don't put it right up against the skin around your lips. So I just wanted you guys to know about this because $5 versus $40, if you like the Glow Recipe one, this is an excellent dupe. And that is what it looks like. And it does have watermelon fruit extract in it, and it smells wonderful. So that's it, you guys. I just wanted to let you know about that. Very quick and to the point video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.